Hey, what's up, guys? This is the trade review for what is it? Wednesday, the 20th, May 20th. What a crazy day. You can see we are still in session, but I'm done trading for the day. Um, there's a couple trades that I'm going to point out to you. Um, these these two trades are the trades that I took. This is the main trade that I called out at 8:30 this morning that I was waiting for. Um, and I missed it. We came down and we hit the zone that I was waiting for. We swept the London low, and it was an SMT with, I'm pretty sure it was SMT with ES as well. Um, and I was just waiting for a little bit more confirmation, and then all of a sudden this candle just shoots through the moon, and I missed my entry. I didn't chase price. I could have chased it and still got it, but I don't chase price. If I miss my entry, I miss my entry. I've been doing this long enough now to know if you continue to chase price, your win rate is going to go down significantly. So this is part of trading. You can't catch them all. So, anyways, let's do a little review here. So here is the 9:30 open. My analysis this morning was we were bullish. We were going to push higher. I mentioned that. I did mention if I go to a 1 hour time frame, go to a 1 hour time frame, and on Tuesday, the 12th, May 12th, Tuesday, May 12th, we created this low right here. Okay. And after that low was created, this leg created the new all time high. Okay. And we came back down, and yesterday we swept that low. So this is a very important level right here. So, with that being said, I mentioned that I think this is going to be the next leg up to create new all time highs. Obviously, we're going to have some pullbacks in between there, but I think if everything keeps going the way it is, I think this is our next leg up to new all time highs. I did point this out in Gen Chat to everybody this morning. So I hope you guys saw that. So the analysis this morning was bullish. I'm going to be looking for longs. Okay. So I traded on the 1 minute. So let's go to the 1 minute. Okay. So right before okay. And then also, I put this gap on the chart. It was a 2 minute gap, big bullish 2 minute gap that I didn't see at first in the morning analysis. So I reposted a chart with this gap saying, we sweep this low over here. We respect this gap. I could see us push higher. So we swept this low right before the open. Okay. And this was a very similar trade that I took yesterday. Same exact thing happened. We swept the low I was looking for right before the open, reverse pushed up. And once we opened and I saw we went bullish candle, I took the entry because I'm convinced that we're at least going to be making it up to these highs. And that's what happened. So I nailed that trade, a little over $500 on that one. So after that, I just sat on my hands and just waited. Okay. I really wanted price down to this level to sweep this low. Okay. But when we came down here, we had an SMT with ES. I called it out to you guys. I didn't even wait. Like, there's no waiting for an inversion because there is no inversion here unless you wait for this. And then all the trades pretty much gone. I mean, you could have got a little bit out of it. But I took the trade after we bounced twice or three times. ES started reversing as well. So I took the trade. And there's this big gap right here. I put my take profit at a little bit above the 50% level of the gap. and secured a little over $500. So I'm up $1,000 there. And the reason I did this as well was because my whole thesis today was taken along off of this level. This is what I was waiting for. Okay. So when we came up here and we swept the London High, there was another SMT that I called out on ES, but I didn't take this trade. I did not take this trade. I did mention, man, I should have taken that trade, but I didn't take it. I just waited. I really wanted this trade. Okay. And so I waited. And it just, this trade happened so quick and I missed it. It is what it is. That's part of trading. You can't catch them all. Okay. Um, Another thing that I mentioned to all you that was when this chop was happening, I said, you can't diddle in the middle, right? It's a saying, don't diddle in the middle, right? We need to wait to see if this low is going to be taken or this high is going to be taken. And I said, the low gets taken, we reverse, we go to the upside. If the high gets taken, what I'm going to look for is a higher high to be made, then a lower low to be made, and then a higher high to be made and a higher low to be made, and then I will look for a long off of that. Okay. So, anyways, we came down here, we hit this, that happened, beautiful trade. I mean, right off this inversion. I mean, what is that? Right off of this inversion. Oh, 1 second. 144 points right there. And it happened quick. Having 1, 2, 3 minutes, and it actually went even further. 144 points in 3 minutes. I'm pissed I missed that trade, but it is what it is. Okay, but the reason I didn't take this trade either, I made my $1,000. I missed my main trade. I called it a day. Okay, but the reason I have this on my chart too is I want to show you that exactly what I said that I was waiting for if the high got taken happened. Exactly what I said I would be looking for to take a long happened. It was a fair value gap continuation trade. Okay, so we have a bullish gap right here that this was created on the leg up. Okay, and let's get rid of this. Oh, well, we can get rid of that too, doesn't matter. So look at, we trade up, this gap was created, we come down, we retest it, but there's no inversion right here, so I don't take that trade. There's no inversion, don't take the trade. We come up, we take the high, we come back down, we respect that gap, we created a bearish gap on our way down. We respect the gap, respect consequent encroachment. We reverse, we inverse this gap. We enter, we go for a 1 to 3, and that is a perfect 1 to 3 trade right there off of the inversion. And bang, you get off of that trade, you get 85 points off of that trade. So, a lot of opportunities today, guys. I know Palermo, nice work today, man. Keep it up, dude. You're fucking crushing it. I know he took either 1 or 2 of the trades I called out. But man, we're killing it, man. This year is an amazing year. So another reason I took this trade was on my order flow chart, big buyer stepped in right here. I had a big buy order that stepped in too. So that was another reason I took that trade. So there you go, guys. That is the review for Wednesday, the 20th. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Hope you learned something.